we are on the road again for another Europe road trip. So, mag-i-intro na ako dito kasi yung kasama ko is nag-try ng drone at ako ay may time mag-vlog. Magta-travel vlog na naman tayo. And this time, we will go to the Dolomites. Plus, magpa-French Riviera kami. Medyo challenging na naman tong road trip na to. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ka-challenging lahat ng road trips na ginagawa namin. But, I think we did some research this time. We are here at the middle of nowhere na walang restriction yung drone kasi gusto daw niyang mag-practice. Kakakuha lang niya ng drone. And, yeah. Let's go! Nandito na kami sa McDonald's and magla-lunch kami, guys. Lampas na kami ng border. So, nandito na kami actually sa Poland. We have been driving for 5 hours and we have 6 more hours to go. Pero kailangan muna namin mag-lunch. Tara, let's go have a quick lunch. I'm so hungry. Sa unang hotel na tutulugan namin for tonight, and then we continue our journey again tomorrow. So finally, it's 8:30 in the evening. Kailangan na namin mag-ready actually para lumabas at kumain ng dinner. Gutom na ako. And dito sa Czech Republic, surprisingly, hindi masyadong mahal ang mga bagay-bagay. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, kita ba?
Is full self-driving working in Czechia?
Не розумію.
Sama едет.
Не сама, не
Nede. I'm from Lithuania. It's self-driving in Lithuania already.
Стіло то.
Autopilot.
Не розумію.
Okay, nandito na kami, guys. Dito kami kakain. Skansin. Traditional Czechian food. Amoy sauerkraut daw. How do you feel after driving for 11 hours?
Busy.
You just want to relax, eat.
Feel lightheaded. I want to sleep.
Yeah, same. That looks nice.
The bread looks
Appetizer looks like a meal. Ooh.
good.
It has cheese and a lot of different stuff. Oh my god. That's a big meal. Nagdakil. Oh my god, that's so big. So he got the pork ribs. I got the duck leg. This is a big man's meal. This is bread for sure. This is sauerkraut. This
Potato
one I
dumpling?
don't know. Okay, let's taste the duck. That's so fatty. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Good morning.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang umaga.
Magi po.
We are out. It's our day 2. Itutuloy natin ang paglalakbay.
Babe, what do we do before we leave? Hand signal?
No, that's the after walk.
Only?
Okay, then let's do it again. What is that?
Elevator.
Okay.
Well, we'll have to back up, no? Or no, I think it's gonna be front. So we
So this is a car elevator.
yeah, modern Czech Republic.
Uy. Okay.
Technology.
It's like you're being transported from space to Earth. And we are out.
7 hours, 50 minutes.
But this is going to ano na,
Anana, yes.
the
To Anana.
Dolomites. if we're not gonna make the stopover. Kasi we were planning to do a stopover kasi merong isang landmark na madadaanan kami bandang Austria. And it depends sa weather. So, if we get good weather, by the time na makarating kami doon is Gora. Say Gora.
Gora. It
Gora.
means mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
No, it's go. Like, go, mom. Shit. Stop over. So, we are 30 minutes away sa aming goal na pupuntahan. Nakakakita na kami ng mga maraming matataas na bundok. Ang daming nagcha-charge ng electric cars. Kung sana electric car yung dala namin, isa na kami dyan sa mga magcha-charge ng electric car. Babe, would you want to drive an electric car?
I would like to try it,
You do?
especially for the trip like this.
But wouldn't it be a little bit of a hassle if we were driving electric car and we have
If you
to
don't
charge
try.
everywhere? This truck is electric.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ayan o, electric po. Aliw. Napakalaking truck and it's electric and it has its own charging station. So, katatapos lang namin mag-restroom and we're trying to see if there's a view here na pwede naming ma-check out. But there is, you can see the lake. It's pretty, it's blue. You wanna go see there?
Babe, I don't know what does this say.
What? Ay, sorry. Meron daw sign. We are now going around the lake. Pero hindi pa ito yung lake na target namin. This is just one of the lakes. Kasi tatlo ito na magkakatabi na lakes. Our target is the third lake. Wolfgang Sea. Ang tawag sa lake na yon.
Her hair blows on the wind. The unknown is calling. Ain't afraid to dive in. Spirit broken is still open. If you need me, let me know. I'll be down where the wild things go. I'm a long, long way from home. Oh, I'm down where the wild things go.
I'm back at nandito kami sa isang roadside parking kasi mukhang free naman mag-park dito and ito kasi parang isang community na nakita namin, parang town. Sana meron kaming mahanap na pwedeng kakainan. Kakain na kami finally dahil gutom na rin ako. Lagi akong gutom. So, let's go! Kanina biglang umulan. Ngayon, maaraw na naman. Parang hinahabol kami ng ulan. At kami naman naghahabol ng araw. Oh my God! Oh! What? Oh, this is where we are.
This one, Argentina.
Yeah.
Argentina sandwich and one El Capitano burger.
John, what's your first name?
Robert.
Robert. The beautiful name in the world.
Sorry, mine.
At the intersection behind the pharmacy, turn left. And then at the intersection of the Lakiano restaurant, we should see Lakiano
Yeah,
restaurant.
this one.
Turn right. La Villa. Chiesa Sanvi. Guys, finally, thank you Lord. Nandito na kami. Nakarating na kami dito sa Airbnb namin. And oh my God. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Ground beneath is shaking. Memories are taken. Heartaches and chases. Call out to the unknown. I'll take the path that's shown. To make it in, to make it home. I know what I need to start over again.
Good morning!
1 hour, 5 minutes.
And today, unang-una pa lang, uunahin na namin ang Lago de Brais. Uunahin na namin yung mga tourist spots. Pag-usapan namin last night na yun na yung mga i-check namin. Ngayon, kung hindi talaga effect yung mga tourist spots, pag talagang sobrang daming tao, Ekis. But it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We have to be there before 9 a.m. para makakuha kami ng parking, because if you arrive there after 9 a.m., no more parking for you. They won't allow you to get inside the area. Wish us luck. It's a beautiful blue sky morning. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ito within the day. Sa parking. P2 para lang daw sa mga online reservation ng parking ticket. Dito kami dapat sa P3 and P4, which we will pay 20 euro for the parking. I can't find my hat.
That was her hat. It's in the back.
And we shall go. Rangers.
Yours is like this. Mine is that.
Ito na, naglalakad na kami papunta
There's a
sa
way over there.
lake. Soup? What suit? Let me just enjoy the view. Woohoo! So far, so good. Yung kasama ko is... Ayan. Yes. Let's go. More. Update. Meron kaming nahanap na restaurant dito. Walking. Coffee and apple strudel. Apple. May mga nakaiwan ng susi sa loob ng sasakyan and sinusubukan nilang buksan yung sasakyan. Pinapalo nilang ganyan. Halos masira na yung bintana ng sasakyan. Pinupukpok nila.
Our elevation,
Right now.
1597.
1597 above sea level. Right now, 1597 above sea level. That's high. Okay, we are done. Tapos na po ang Lago de Brais. Hike namin for today. And also, dumidilim na. Kasi mukhang uulan na. And it's only 11 a.m. Alis na kami dito before it rains. But all in all, that was a great walk. We're back! This is our second hike for the day. And katatapos lang namin magkuha ng mga drone shots. Medyo kumalma na yung weather. Kasi kanina, umulan siya ng slight and nag-lunch kami. Yun yung pumunta kami ng grocery para mamili ng mga kung ano-ano. Pasta, cheese, meat, whatever. And then now, at 2:30 p.m., we decided to do another exploration and hiking. So, we decided to just stay here around our area. Ito yung area namin, guys. It's the La Villa Stern area. So, dito na lang kasi marami rin namang mga pwedeng i-hike dito. Tsaka maraming mga yung pwede kang mag-view. Ganun. Tapos, actually, pwede ka rin mag-cable car, paakyat. So far, so good. Ayan, ginamit ko na yung bagong bili ko na bag. Bumili ako sa Lithuania ng hiking bag. I think this is a running bag. Pero sobrang convenient niya as a hiking bag. Kasi ang daming pockets. Here's my phone. At the back. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Let's continue this hike. I'm not complaining. I'm just following. Nandito na kami sa taas. This is it. We did it. And this is how high we are. Hindi mo na makita yung city sa baba. Sobrang taas na yan. But we did it. 1.7 kilometer high. Itong bundok na to, itong ginawa namin na to is nasa likod ng Airbnb namin. So ito yung lagi namin nakikita everyday. When we go out, when we wake up, this is our view. So at least masasabi na namin na okay na tayo sa park na yan. And it's still so gorgeous. Ang ganda, napakaganda. Diyos ko, wait lang. Malabo ko yung sorry. Okay. Teka. Papakita ko sa inyo where we are. And you see a beautiful view of that mountain over there. Wow. Okay, here's where we are. We did it. Ayan. Yan yung inakyat namin. Ayan. 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 Ayan yung buong yan. Diyan. Punta kami dyan. Diyan. Ay, ikot. Hanggang doon. Tapos ito. Dito. Yan yung inikot namin.
3 hours, exactly.
What?
3 hours, 3 minutes.
Okay. Andito na. Ayan eh. Aming Airbnb. Ayan yung view ng Airbnb namin, by the way. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Amazing. Ganda ng weather. Good morning! Another day, another mountain. Today, hindi kami masyadong naging maaga kasi sobrang aga namin yesterday. So, today medyo nag-slow down kami ng konti because pagising ko kaninang umaga, yung mga legs ko nararamdaman ko na. Kaya ngayon, we decided to slow down a little bit. So, it's already 9:30 and we have about an hour to go to the destination. And si Robbie nasa pharmacy because he's having problems with his left eye. Kaya kailangan niyang bumili ng eye drops. Ako naman is naglalagay ng hiking shoes. Sobrang pagmamadali ko kanina. Hindi ko pa nalagay yung shoes ko. By the way guys, I just wanna say, sobrang helpful ng hiking shoes dito sa mga activities na ginagawa namin right now because I feel like sobrang imposible maglakad na hindi ka naka-hiking shoes sa mga Dolomites, sa mga akyat-akyat, mga ganyan. Hiking shoes is key. And a comfortable one. Mine is Merrell. Yung kay Robbie is Salomon, which is sabi niya sa akin yesterday is doing a great job. Sobrang confident daw niya maglakad sa mga bato-bato because of it. And same, ako din, sobrang confident ko rin kahit pababa, paakyat. Alam mo na yung hiking shoes mo it's gripping the ground for you. And also, by the way, gusto ko lang i-mention, itong aking hiking hat. Sobrang laking tulong nito yesterday. Kasi hindi ko nararamdaman yung init because of this. Kasi siguro, psychological effect. Hindi naaarawan yung mukha ko. Mas mataas yung endurance ko sa araw. Kasi, alam nyo naman tayong mga Pilipino, iniiwasan natin yung araw, diba? Having this, covering my face. None?
That was easy.
They have
Came
it?
into material.
Wow. You wanna put it now? Success.
Few drops 4 times a day.
4 times a day?
Yeah.
So you're gonna bring that today with us. Okay. Do you need help?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Can you?
How many drops will I
Few
put?
drops.
2.
Right, I'll do it.
1.
Oh shit.
Stings?
Mm-hmm.
Close
Felt
your
it
eye.
in my ear.
Was it my fault? Or...
No, it's my eye.
One more.
Yeah.
Don't be a pussy.
Other eye too.
Other eye too?
It's connected.
Did I hit bullseye in both eyes?
That's tang.
Close your eye. Relax.
Like what I'm doing.
You're crying. Don't cry, babe. Shut up. Ano to? Antisetico astringente sedativo. It doesn't say anything in English. It's all Italian. So maybe now you're gonna see the Dolomites even clearer.
Look how much it made me cry.
Aww. You wanna relax for a little bit? Anyway, we're on the road again. Alert driving doon sa mga curvy roads. Thank you Lord, nandito na kami and sasakay kami dito ng cable car. Nandito kami sa Call Riser. Okay, let's go.
Go!
Det der, når den gynger ud, der er det kilder sådan en pause. Og hvor dem, der stod foran os køen dernede, de er ikke engang kommet. Men det er meget, det er fordi, du snakker meget med det.
So you can use
Tage et billede også.
to turn down home.
Han kom væk. Så hvis det er om vinteren, så skal man sætte sig et skistaver der.
Wow! Oh my god.
Battery low.
Not mine.
Oh, zo. Oh ja.
Ben ik hier voor geweest?
Nee, dat is ook zo. Ik ben weer bij het andere bezig.
Het is te afgenomen.
Let's go.
So this is the easy part.
Yeah.
Oh, and there.
Ang taas na namin. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow. Kakain kami ng lunch at ang kakainin namin is yung prepare ko na sandwich this morning. And we chose this spot para dito kami kumain. Ay, wow. Ang ganda.
You know how much we did?
How much we did, babe? Are you
1
talking?
hour, 27 minutes,
1 hour and 27 minutes.
3.5 kilometers.
3.5 kilometers.
And remaining still 6. So we did the
Remaining
And then,
6.5 kilometers remaining.
so we did 262 elevation, and the total is 500.
Wow.
So
Wow. Okay. Thank you, babe, for that information.
You're welcome. You're not scared to sit here?
No. So this is our view while we're gonna eat my sandwich. And tubig. Update! Finally, na-reach na namin yung peak. Nandito na kami sa Seceda Ridge Line. It's there. Ayan na yun, oh, yung famous spot. Ang ganda pa rin dito. And also, sobrang rewarding. Apakahirap lang ng pag-akyat. Legit. Hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog. Every 40 steps, tumitigil ako. Yung ito, ayan. Ayan. Yan yung part na nilakad namin. Pati yung mga nakakasabay namin na mukha namang mga pro is pati sila tumitigil din talaga every once in a while. So I think talagang just take it slowly, step by step, up until you reach the tip. Ayan na siya. So dito lang kami siguro, mag-chill lang kami ng slight, mag-enjoy ng view, i-enjoy yung pinaghirapan namin. And I'll update you later. Bababa na kami and we have to do it in at least 1 to 2 hours kasi yung cable car na sasakyan namin pa uwi ulit is mag-close ng 5:30, so kailangan naming habulin yun. Time check, it's 3 p.m. So we have 2 hours and 30 minutes to do everything. Ang itim ko na pero sobrang worth it. Tapos na. Eto na. Nakabalik na kami dito sa kung saan kami galing kanina. According to him, ano daw, 4.5 hours in total, probably of the hiking. 4.5 hours. What? 10 kilometers.
Sit on the right side if you want to see it going down. Left.
No, sit.
Huh?
Nandito na kami sa tutuluyan namin for another 3 nights. Wait, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayong hindi pa makalat. Let's go! Very Scandinavian yung design. And from our window, ito yung nakikita namin. Ang Odal Mountains, yata yan. Basta, yan ang view from our balcony.